this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Xiaomi watch with your iPhone. This is iPhone 14 Plus. Here I go to Bluetooth option of this phone. Here we go. Go inside, hold Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth setting inside. In Bluetooth setting, if some new device, it will appear here. It should appear at the bottom. Here I see something on my screen. I hit here G20. I think this is the name of the watch. I hit to connect. I hit pair. See here receiving message. I hit allow. You see here something is blinking. That means this is connected, this is off, this is connected with the watch. So it's somehow connected. So let's try if I send a WhatsApp message. So I come here with another phone. I will send a WhatsApp message to see if I get there or not. Let's see, I'm sending a message. Let's see. Hello. You see there, guys, you get the message. So lovely. So WhatsApp is working. That means the phone is connected with the watch. Let's call. I call from this one to another one. You see, you can answer that call. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.